Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. About algebraic expression you have studied in previous classes. So today we are going to discuss some special types of algebraic expressions, and these algebraic expressions are called polynomials. So what are polynomials? First of all, we will try to define polynomial. So any algebraic expression which are in the form of a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube and so on up to an x to the power n. In this expression, a0, a1, a2, a3 and so on, an are constant and n is non-negative integer. So here a0, a1, a2, a3 and so on, an are constant. It means any real number, constant or real numbers. And n is a non-negative integer. Such expressions are called polynomials. So here, whenever we are going to decide whether a given algebraic expression is a polynomial or not, what we have to see, first of all we will see what is the power of x, whether it is an integer or a fraction. If it is an integer, we will check whether that integer is negative or positive. So if it is negative, in that case that algebraic expression is not a polynomial. So if it is an integer and it is a positive, then only that expression will be a polynomial. For example, I am writing here some expressions. So suppose we have some expression 2x square plus 3, 5x to the power 1 by 2, 7x to the power minus 3 plus 2. So here we have taken 3 algebraic expressions. So in these 3 algebraic expression, in first we will see here it is 2x square plus 3. So here power of variable is 2, which is an integer, and it is a positive integer. Therefore this algebraic expression, this is a polynomial. Similarly here, if we see this expression 5x to the power 1 by 2, so clearly here power of variable is 1 by 2 is a fraction. Therefore this algebraic expression, this is not a polynomial. So this is not a polynomial. Similarly here in third expression, here clearly it is a power of variable is minus 3. 3 is an integer, but it is a negative integer. Therefore this is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. How do we represent polynomial? So suppose this is a polynomial, a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube and so on, an x to the power n. So in this polynomial, x is the variable. Therefore we say that this algebraic expression is a polynomial in variable x, and we represent this polynomial as px. So px is a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus and so on plus an x to the power n. So if variable is y, in that case this polynomial will be polynomial in y. Similarly, we can write polynomial in z, or we can write polynomial in any variable. Types of polynomials. So basically polynomials are classified into two categories. First on the basis of degree, and second on the basis of number of terms. So before going to discuss the categories of polynomial, first of all we will define of a polynomial. So maximum power of variable present in a polynomial is called degree of polynomial. First of all we have to decide whether a given expression is a polynomial or not. So for example here 2x square plus 3x plus 2. So here this algebraic expression is a polynomial and variable is x. So here in this first term if we see the power of x is 2, in the second term power of x is 1, and in third term there is no power of x, it means power of x is 0. So here power is, maximum power of variable is 2. So degree of this polynomial is called 2. So here, so maximum power of variable, maximum power of variable present in a polynomial is called its degree. In the above expression, maximum power of variable, and that variable is x, is 2. Therefore degree of polynomial is 2. Similarly here suppose we have another polynomial, suppose 2 by 3 x cube plus 2x plus 1. So in this polynomial, this is a polynomial clearly, this is because power of variable is integer and it is a non-negative integer because it is a 3, here 1 and here 0. So maximum power is 3. Therefore its degree is 3. So it is also called third degree polynomial, second degree polynomial. The basis of degree, classifications of polynomial. How many types of polynomials are there on the basis of degree? Let us see. Constant polynomial. Constant polynomials are also called 0 degree polynomial. So if we take any constant, any real number, that is called constant polynomial. 0 degree polynomials, constant polynomials. General form of constant polynomial, general form we write k where k is constant. Example 2 1 by 3 minus 5 7, all these are constants. So this is called 0 degree polynomial. Why we call 0 degree polynomial? Let us see here. So this 2 can be written as 2 into 1 and this can be written as 2 into x to the power 0. So here variable is x and its power is 0, therefore it is a constant polynomial. Similarly all other constant can be written in this form, therefore all these are constant polynomials. Linear polynomial. First degree polynomials are called linear polynomial. First degree polynomials are called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Any polynomial whose maximum power of variable is 1 are called linear polynomial. So general form of linear polynomial in x is written as ax px is equal to, we can write here, px is equal to ax plus b, where a and b are constants and a is not equal to 0. So, if a were 0, this polynomial would be converted into constant polynomial. So, for example, 2x plus 5, 3x, root 3 x, all these are linear polynomials, because maximum power of variable is 1, therefore, all these are linear polynomials, quadratic polynomial. So, those polynomials whose maximum power is 2 are called quadratic polynomial. We can write second degree polynomials, polynomials are called quadratic polynomial. So, general form of a quadratic polynomial, general form, or we call it standard form also, or standard form of a quadratic polynomial, is ax square plus bx plus c So, general form of quadratic polynomial in x is px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c constants and a is not equal to 0. So, polynomial which are in the form of ax square plus bx plus c are called quadratic polynomial. For example, I am writing here root 2x square plus 5x plus 3. So, here this polynomial is a quadratic polynomial, because maximum power of variable is 2, therefore, it is a quadratic polynomial. Next is cubic polynomial. Third degree polynomials are called cubic polynomials, means those polynomials whose maximum power is 3 are called cubic polynomials. Third degree polynomials are called cubic polynomials. General form of cubic polynomials in x is written as px is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c and d are constants and a is not equal to 0. So, one example of cubic polynomial is 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 5. So, in this polynomial maximum power of variable is 3, therefore, this is a cubic polynomial. One more polynomial we will discuss here, and that polynomial is called biquadratic polynomials. Those polynomials in which maximum power of variable is 4 are called biquadratic polynomials. So, fourth degree polynomials are called biquadratic polynomials. General form of biquadratic polynomials in X is written as Px is equal to ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Here a, b, c, d and e are constants and a is not equal to 0. So, here I am writing a biquadratic polynomial 2x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 2. So, this polynomial is not in a standard form, because here some terms are missing. So, x terms which contains power 3 is missing here, and the term that whose power is 1 is missing. So, this is not the standard polynomial, but its maximum power is 4, therefore, it is a biquadratic polynomial. These were the classifications of polynomials on the basis of degree. So, there is another classification which is on the basis of how many terms are there in a given polynomials. On that basis, basically we will take two types of polynomials. The basis of number of terms present in a polynomial, there are basically three types of polynomials. First type of polynomial is monomial. So, those polynomials which contain only one term are called monomial. Mono means one, and therefore, it contains only one term. And second type of polynomial is called binomial. Bi means two. So, those polynomials which contain two terms, these polynomials are called binomials. And similarly, the polynomials that contain three terms are called trinomial. And after binomial, generally we call polynomial as polynomial. So, any polynomial that contains two or more than two terms, these polynomials are called polynomial. Thanks for the watching.